Think finding a reliable used car for under $5,000 is impossible? Think again. The truth is, there are still cars out there that deliver solid performance, impressive durability, and low maintenance costs without draining your wallet. But here's the catch. Not every cheap used car is worth your money. Some will leave you stranded with endless repairs, while others can easily go the distance with the right care. Today, we're breaking down 5 budget-friendly cars that stand out for their reliability and value. Stick around, because the number one pick might surprise you. The 2009 to 2010 Mitsubishi Galant. This mid-size sedan often gets overlooked, but that's exactly why it can be such a smart buy for under $5,000. While many people immediately think of Honda or Toyota, the Galant quietly built a reputation for being dependable when properly maintained. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a tried-and-true 4-speed automatic transmission. It's not flashy, but it's built to last. Fuel economy averages around 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 on the highway, making it efficient enough for daily commuting. One of the biggest advantages of the Galant is affordability. Because it doesn't carry the same name recognition as its Japanese rivals, you'll usually pay less for one, even if it's in good condition. And since Mitsubishi parts are still widely available, repairs are straightforward and won't empty your wallet. Owners often report these cars easily handling well over 150,000 miles with regular maintenance. For drivers who want a reliable, comfortable sedan at a bargain price, the Galant is a hidden gem worth considering. The 2005 to 2007 Pontiac Vibe. At first glance, it might just look like an old Pontiac, but here's the secret. The Vibe is actually a Toyota Matrix underneath, thanks to a joint venture between GM and Toyota. That means you get Toyota's legendary reliability, but often at a lower price simply because it carries the Pontiac badge. Under the hood, most Vibes come with Toyota's 1.8-liter 1ZZFE 4-cylinder engine producing 126 horsepower. It's simple, durable, and fuel-efficient, averaging around 28 miles per gallon combined. The 4-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, while the 5-speed manual adds a little extra engagement for those who prefer it. What really makes the Vibe shine is long-term ownership. These engines are known to push well beyond 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, and parts are inexpensive since they're interchangeable with the Toyota Corolla. The Vibe may not have the name recognition of a Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla, but that's exactly why it's such a bargain. For buyers with a tight budget, it's one of the smartest ways to stretch $5,000 into years of reliable driving. The 2003 to 2008 Toyota Matrix. Often described as the practical cousin of the Corolla, the Matrix combines Toyota's bulletproof reliability with a more versatile hatchback design. Most models came with a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine producing between 126 and 180 horsepower depending on the trim, paired with either a 4-speed automatic or a 5- or 6-speed manual transmission. Fuel economy averages around 28 miles per gallon combined, making it both efficient and affordable to run. Thanks to Toyota's well-known engineering, the Matrix can easily handle over 200,000 miles with basic care, and maintenance costs remain low since many parts are shared with the Corolla. Buyers looking for extra utility appreciate its spacious cargo area and fold-flat rear seats, features that make it more flexible than a standard sedan. The Toyota Matrix may not always get the same spotlight as the Corolla, but for under $5,000 it delivers the same legendary durability in a more practical package, making it one of the smartest used car choices in this price range. The 2007 to 2009 Mazda 3 with the 2.0 engine. This first-generation Mazda 3 quickly earned a reputation as a compact car that is both fun to drive and impressively reliable. The 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine is the smart choice, avoiding the oil consumption problems of the 2.3 turbo and delivering solid performance with around 140 horsepower. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, averaging about 27 miles per gallon in mixed driving, which makes it affordable to own and run. With proper care, these engines can easily surpass 200,000 miles, and even higher mileage examples still have plenty of life left in them. The driving experience is often described as sporty and responsive for its class, giving it an edge over more basic economy cars. Maintenance costs remain reasonable, and parts are widely available, keeping ownership stress-free. For around $5,000, the Mazda 3 is a smart pick for anyone wanting a dependable daily driver that doesn't sacrifice enjoyment behind the wheel. Before we get to the final picks, don't forget to hit that like button if you're finding this list helpful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our upcoming breakdowns on the best used cars, SUVs, and hidden bargains in the market. And I want to hear from you. Have you ever owned one of these cars? Or maybe you're thinking about buying one? Drop your experience in the comments because your stories help other viewers make smarter decisions too. Number 5. The 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord with the 2.4 engine. A staple in the used car market, the Accord has long been known for its blend of comfort, reliability, and strong resale value. The 2.4-liter K-Series engine is the highlight here, featuring a timing chain instead of a belt, which reduces long-term maintenance costs and adds peace of mind. With around 166 horsepower, it delivers smooth and confident performance, paired with a 5-speed automatic that shifts reliably and holds up well over high mileage. Fuel economy is competitive for its class, averaging about 26 miles per gallon combined, making it efficient enough for daily commuting while still offering the space and comfort of a mid-size sedan. Owners often report these Accords lasting well past 200,000 miles with regular care, and repair costs remain reasonable thanks to Honda's widespread parts availability. For around $5,000, the Accord stands out as one of the most balanced choices you can make, delivering a mix of dependability, comfort, and everyday practicality that few competitors can match. And there you have it, 5 of the most reliable used cars you can still find for around $5,000. From the overlooked Mitsubishi Galant to the Toyota Matrix, the sporty Mazda 3, the budget-friendly Pontiac Vibe, and the dependable Honda Accord, each of these models proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a solid car that will last. The key is knowing what to look for and choosing a model with a proven track record of reliability. So if you're shopping on a tight budget, these cars can keep you on the road without draining your wallet. Which one of these would you trust as your daily driver? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more breakdowns on the best used cars and hidden bargains in the market.